welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making Mongolian chicken. Mongolian chicken is a Chinese-inspired American dish that has crispy fried chicken smothered in a sweet and savory sauce. Today for our ingredients, we have chicken breasts, cornstarch, salt and pepper, vegetable oil, ginger, garlic, green onion, dark brown sugar, soy sauce, and toasted sesame oil with a cup of water. The first thing you want to do for this dish, you want to cut your boneless chicken into thin strips. You want to add your chicken strips to a Ziploc bag, and you want to add your cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and pepper. Here we're going to close our Ziploc bag, and we're going to shake well and coat our chicken evenly. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to heat our oil in a large skillet. We're going to add our chicken strips coated in our cornstarch into our hot oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry a few chicken strips at a time and do multiple batches to fry the chicken. Fry your chicken strips on medium heat. We're going to flip our chicken and brown it on both sides, and we're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until it is brown. We're going to transfer our chicken onto a plate lined with a kitchen paper towel to absorb excess oil from the fried chicken. In the same pan, you want to add your minced garlic, your ginger, and half of your green onions. You want to reserve the rest of your green onions to be added to the dish in the last step. In the pan, you want to make sure that you toss your ginger, your garlic, and your green onions well. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to add our sesame oil, our soy sauce, our brown sugar into the pan. We're going to toss and stir the slurry once and pour it into the sauce. Your slurry is your cornstarch and your water. You want to stir the slurry once, and you want to pour your slurry into your sauce. We're going to cook this for 30 seconds, and we're going to continue to stir constantly. The sauce will begin to thicken. Once it begins to thicken, we're going to add our fried chicken strips and the remaining of our green onions. You want to give your chicken and your green onions a quick toss until all the chicken is evenly coated in the sauce. You want to toss until everything is combined. You want to remove the pan from the heat, and you want to serve immediately over hot, steamed balsamic rice. Today we made Mongolian chicken, and this dish was delicious. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Baby We Eats.